Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the blues out of the Ditto Cosmetics HERA palette. Oh, I can't wait to use these blue shades. They're so pretty in here. And of course, I'm going to try out that glitter. So first I'm starting off with the O shade, and I love having a brown shade for transition color. Just makes things a little bit easier to diffuse. And of course, I already have my lids primed and my eyebrows done. I also just really need to clip my hair back. It's getting in my way. Good enough. Okay, so now that I have that in my transition area, I'm going to take the same brush, I think. Or no, actually I'm going to switch up brushes because I want to keep that just for my transition. So now I'm going to take this E shade, the very light blue, and blend right over top of that brown shade. And that is a pigmented blue. I like that. And just bring it on up. I've really been liking this palette so much. It's what I love about EYESCREAM box is that I'm trying all these different brands that I normally wouldn't try. Okay, so now that I have the light blue down, I am going to go on the outer portion of my lid with one of these dark blues. Not the darkest blue, but this is really pretty. It's a navy blue. It's so pretty. I love that. And of course I didn't do my face makeup because this palette does have some fallout to it. That blue is so pretty though. I really like that dark blue. So far, none of the colors that I've used have been patchy. They've all blended out really nicely. Okay, so now for the inner portion of my lid, I'm going to go in with this medium blue and put on the inner portion of my lid. And I'm just putting this down before I put the glitter on top of it. I do want to put the glitter on top of the shade. Now I'm going to go back with that first brush and just blend everything out. So I think I am going to go in with that darkest blue and just add to this outer portion just to darken it up a little bit. This looks like almost like a midnight blue. So dark. I think I got that pretty good and smoky now in the outer corner. And that glitter is really going to lighten everything up, so it's not going to look like all one color like it's starting to do now. Like it's all starting to blend together. So we're going to put some glitter on, and I think I am going to go ahead and use my NYX glitter glue. So I'm just going to put a little bit on a brush and then tap on my eyes just to get it to stick a little. So now I'm just going to take a flat brush and go into that glitter. And then I'm just going to press it on. Ooh, yes. It is a chunkier glitter, so I would definitely say use a glitter glue with it. That is so pretty. And it's sticking really well to that glitter glue, so no complaints there. That looks so pretty. That glitter is gorgeous. So I'm just going to go in with this brush, not adding anything to it, and just kind of blend out a little over top of that edge of that glitter. Okay, so I think I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that dark blue. Then I'm going to go in with that medium blue shade and just run right over top of this glitter just to kind of buff things out a little bit. Going back with that first brush. I'm trying not to hit the glitter with the first brush. Just want to buff everything out over top of it. It looks a bit crazy right now, girl, but just trust the process. It's going to look so much better, especially once we get the rest of the makeup done. It's going to look a lot better. Okay, so I am just going to clean up. Take a makeup wipe and just clean up a little bit underneath my eyes. That really does look so much better. Okay, girl, so I am going to jump off camera really quick, and I will be back to do the lower lash line and the brow bone, and we'll see how everything comes together. So far, I'm really liking it. It'll look so much better once I get my foundation and everything on, so I will be right back. Okay, girl, I'm back. I got the rest of my makeup done, and I'm just going to go ahead and use this highlighter. I like this highlighter because it's a white one, and I think that'll look really good against this dark blue. So I'm going to use this on my brow bone, and I'm also going to use it on the inner corner. And of course I put lashes on because I was like, girl, this look is like so dramatic. I need lashes for it. So it looks so good though. I love how that white looks against that blue. Okay, so for my lower lash line, I think I'm going to use that dark blue shade and just run underneath of my lash line. Yeah, that looks really good. Of course, I'll bring it around and connect it. And look it up. Blend it out. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, so I'm going to go back with this brush. This was the one that I used for the dark blue, and I'm just going to blend a little bit. So now I'm going to go back with that very first brush, not adding anything to it, and blend the blue and that white highlighter together. Not trying to go over top of the glitter because I'm not trying to spread the glitter any higher. But I love it. I think it looks good. I am going to use the Essence of Lash Princess for my lower lashes. Okay. I really love how that blue looks. I think that it looks so good. I love the glitter. It's so pretty. And I do have to say, like, the glitter worked really well with the glitter glue, but I'm going to say that you're definitely probably going to need a glitter glue because I don't see it sticking without it, but it stuck really well with the glitter glue. And the NYX glitter glue is very affordable. It's nothing expensive. I have definitely loved using this palette. I'm so happy that we got it in our ice cream beauty box. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And if you like these types of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, girl, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.